Here's the view of a student who will be able to turn in their work inside the assignment you've created using Google Course Kit. The student clicks on the assignment and they will have already had to link their account as I showed in the previous video. They can open the assignment and then move this down a little bit. They can either create a new doc right here and write their work, or if they've already done the work, they can click Add Files and turn in the paper. And they can turn in several files as well. It can be one or more files. Then submit the paper. And if the student realizes at this point that they attached the wrong paper, they can always unsubmit that. Now we'll move back to the instructor view.